Hello everyone, welcome to the Weekly Dose on ARM. I'm Gabriel Peterson and I'll be showing you a bit of what happened this week, April 12th to April 18th, 2024 in the world on ARM. Links to everything I talk about here can be found in the description. First up, we have Eddie D'Souza, who has a video on YouTube where he has leveraged the Raspberry Pi 5 to build a smart home hub tailored for Apple HomeKit. The project not only enhances the HomeKit experience, but also uses the Raspberry Pi well in regards to home automation, with a focus on stability, flexibility, and extended hardware capabilities. Eddie's use of Docker containers to manage applications is a solid approach to software deployment, ensuring easy updates and system scalability. Next, we explore the Advantech EPC R3720 Edge AI Box, a development kit that enables developers of IoT and AI on ARM. This kit is ideal for developing ARM-native applications for Windows before the hardware becomes generally available. The device, powered by an NXP i-MX8M Plus SoC, is optimized for diverse applications, so if you're a Windows on ARM developer, you'll want to check this out. On a more musical note, user MobyPixel on YouTube shows off his DIY cardboard FM Synth, inspired by the iconic Yamaha DX7 and Sega Genesis sounds, and created using a Raspberry Pi and Minidext. He includes instructions for those who want to build their own, as well as demonstrates just how good it can sound. This is a must-watch for the musicians out there. And 4 great blogs went out this week on community.arm.com. Each of the following warrants further reading as they are all very detailed. Vladimir Tansky writes about LLVM18 and how it introduces significant improvements in support for the ARM architecture, including the new ARM v9.5 TAC-A extension. The release enhances performance and security features, and the blog was long enough to justify being broken into 2 parts, so for more information, check out the link. KLOU has a blog where he does a deep dive into the PMU values on ARM's Neoverse N2 server, particularly focusing on the L2 cache writes during the LGAN-GEM benchmark. A brief summary of the findings indicate that L2D cache WR closely correlates with the sum of L1 data instruction cache refills and prefetches. Tim Thornton covers the performance of the de facto SoC compiler on AWS Graviton 3, demonstrating the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of ARM-based cloud environments for complex system-on-chip design tasks. This analysis not only underscores the power efficiency of ARM servers, but also their cost advantage in high-performance computing tasks. And lastly, Chris Goodyear writes about the latest release of the ARM compiler for Linux in ARM Performance Libraries 24.04, where it marks another advancement in software development tools optimized for ARM devices. This update brings enhanced performance for mathematical functions and support for new ARM-based systems, ensuring developers have the best tools at their fingertips to unleash the full potential of ARM technology. Thanks for watching. Links to all the stories talked about here can be found in the description. Make sure to sign up for our developer program, join our Discord, and join our subreddit to keep up to date with the world on ARM. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you hate it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join me again next week. Later.